Hey, what is going on, guys? So it is currently September 26th, and I am going to be showing you guys episode 2 of my M1 Finance series. By the way, if you guys are enjoying this series so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more. And it is currently 3:10 p.m. Where I live right now, so after market hours. If you guys notice that the webcam moved, it's because it's just a lot easier to see in M1 Finance, because if with it over here, it covers a lot of my gains and returns and stuff like that. So basically, let's just get right into it. So when I woke up this morning, I checked M1 Finance on my phone, and I noticed that, and it's kind of what's happening here. My gain, I'll just explain what's happening here. So my gain, it says, is negative $3.21, $3.21. And my pi, it says, is valued at 1,194.33, which, if you do the math, 1,200, which is what I deposited initially, minus $3.21 is not 1,194.33. So I was thinking to myself, like, when I saw this, I was thinking to myself, oh, does M1 charge like a hidden fee or something? Because that's a pretty substantial hidden fee, and I'm surprised I haven't seen anyone talking about that. But that's not the case. So basically, if you go right here, we'll be able to see that I've earned dividends, and so I've earned $2.34 in dividends, which is pretty substantial for only being I've only been on M1 Finance for about a week, so that's pretty substantial in my opinion, and it's also accredited to like all these holdings right here. I have a lot of holdings and I have even more than you see here because of these long-term bonds and moderate like because these are expert pies that I kind of incorporated into my pie. So there's more holdings within these like little folders here. So I have a lot of holdings. So that means a lot of dividends, really diversified dividends. So anyways, so what happened was it basically kind of accounted for my dividends. So it added $2. So if it wasn't, then it would have been, if it, with this accounting my dividends, it's about 197, around that number. But I didn't know that at first. I just thought it was charging like some weird fee or something like that. But it's accounting for my dividends, which is pretty cool. But I really wish, I preferred that it would account for them after they actually got deposited into my account, because what people don't realize is that the ex-dividend date and the day that the funds actually get deposited into your account are two very different things. So with this probably got paid out somewhere about the 24th, September 24th, and it probably won't actually get deposited into my account until like October 24th or October 20th or something like that, because dividends usually take a while. But I think it should account for them after they get deposited, because then it's a little bit confusing, especially for people who are just getting started, which M1 Finance is, after all, for. It's for people who are just getting started and don't really know what they're doing, as well as the seasoned, experienced investors. But people who don't know what they're doing can go on here and just learn how to trade and stuff like that. So I really wish it would account for them after they actually got deposited in my account, just to make it less confusing. But anyways, the market has just been getting absolutely smashed this week, even more than it was last week. Well, debatable, but just these past couple weeks have just been really bumpy for the market, just been really bad market weeks. This 2019 has been just one of the worst years for the market that we've had since the recession, actually. So it's just because a lot of people are expecting another recession in 2020, which hopefully that doesn't happen, but I'm trying kind of to prepare for it. And I'm trying to prepare for it by putting more REITs in my portfolio, because one thing that you notice is that all my positions are down, just regular stocks, like except for Walmart, I'm up 10 cents, which that's cool. But all my positions are down except for my only REIT, which I have these two right here, but they haven't been bought yet because I just added them pretty recently. So my only REIT is up 2.2%, which is extremely good growth for just a week, and just for the stocks being down. So I've been trying to kind of diversify it, just kind of put some more REITs, like probably about 50-50 is probably what I'm going for in the long term. 50-50 REITs, 50-50 stocks. And hopefully by the time that these stocks actually recover and start going green, then this will already have inflated enough to where I won't be losing on this, because I do not want to lose on this position right here, because this is one of my highest dividend paying stocks that I have in this portfolio right now. So yeah, that's why I've been putting more REITs into my portfolio and less stocks. I've been taking some out of stocks, and especially the real big dippers, like this high dividend yield one right here. Microsoft is one I've been taking a lot out of. Apple, like when I first started out, I think I was at 24% on Apple, but then I started losing a bunch, so I dipped it down to 4%, and I kind of allocated all of that to O Realty. So that's why this is at 4% now. But anyways, so that's basically my portfolio for the week. Nothing too exciting. It's been staying around this number for the past week. You can follow the portfolio almost day by day, not really seasoned, like special day by day, but pretty much day by day on my Instagram, and there will be a link to that in the description. I know that my Instagram link is broken right now in the description of a lot of my videos, because I actually recently did a name change. I don't know if I mentioned this. I don't think I did, but I did a name change. I changed my name from King Spencer Stocks to King Spencer Finance on both YouTube and Instagram. So my link is still for King Spencer Stocks. So that's why it is not working. But I will get that fixed probably by the time this video goes up. But anyways, guys, that's pretty much all I had to say for this episode. 1,194.33 is my total portfolio value for the week. Hopefully we'll start to get some green days for stocks, because I really want to see all of this. I want to see this all green, hopefully. But I chose to start this series at a really bad time, if you think about it, because the market just in the past few months, and especially in October, because October is just generally just a bad month for stocks, and it's almost October now, but I started at a pretty bad time. But I mean, if anything, that's better, because it's just showing like worst conditions, what you can make out of the worst conditions for the market. But anyways, guys, that was pretty much all I had to say. If you like this video, leave a like, subscribe, follow my Instagram in the description below. The link will be fixed by the time this video goes up. And if you're interested in joining M1 Finance, don't forget to check out my referral link in the description, because if you use that referral link to join, you will get $10 to start out with, and I will get $10. So it's helping me out a lot and helping yourselves out. And think about it. If one person joined with my link, I would be positive on this portfolio. Just think about that, guys. Think about it. But anyways, that was pretty much it for this episode, and if you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and I will see you guys in the next one.